Welcome to Academic Data Support Videos and Files. This video will show you how to organise subjects within your organisation. Okay, we're going to be using one of the buttons on the left in red. Okay, just to highlight, these buttons are only used by people administering the system to organise your information. Normal teachers will never have to use these buttons. Okay, so we're just going to click on subjects here, and it's going to show me two lists. First list at the top is all the subjects in the system. As you see, there's quite a few. And the columns. This is the short name of a subject, the longer name. So for examples, here we have SEN or special educational needs. It can be called learning support. So it's the same subject if you like, but it just has different names. And this foundation name is given if you have pupils or a section in your school which has very young children. We have a foundation name here. For example, form period is named form teacher when the reports are printed, and it's called personal, social and emotional development for the younger children. For example, science is foundation stage knowledge and understanding of the world. One of the advantages of that is if you have a very young child with a science report, that all your science reports for that particular pupil will stay together. They won't be in several different subjects. Knowledge and understanding the world means science. Okay, that's the top list here. The bottom list, or list lower down, shows all the subjects associated with your organisation. Here again with the names and so on. So these three columns should be familiar to you by now. The order, well, number 1 comes before number 2 and so on. So let's say that games has an order number quite high. So if I want games to let's say go just below English, I'll just click on that number there and I'm going to go put it as number 1, and okay, there we go. And that will then put this particular subject just below English, and let's say I want to move that back down again, so I don't want it there. Just click on OK. Right. Now this order is important in any form that you use. So for example, the entering grades form, this is the order that the subjects will appear for you. That's the importance of ordering. Okay, so also on the form subjects, you'll see on this column graded. Some subjects will be graded, some will not. So this gives you the opportunity to include subjects or not include them, as the case may be. For example, the form period does not need to appear on grades. But if you did need a subject to appear on grades, you can, for example, click on, let's say that choruses have a grade. Click on graded column, you'll see this prompt, and it will change the no to a yes. And you can change it back again by just clicking on this button. So this is how to organise your subjects within your organisation. Just to return, top right hand side again, and you're back to the system home page. Thank you for watching.